Today I'd like to talk about tips on saving on your utility bill or tips on saving electricity. The number one thing you can do to save electricity is, first of all, have your meter base and your electrical circuit breaker panel serviced. Most people have never had them serviced. I've talked about this in other videos. It's important to have all your connections tight. If you have loose connections, those connections will oxidize, they'll arc, sometimes they'll char or burn, and you're gonna impede the efficient flow of electrical current through those connections. So that's the number one thing. Have your electrical system serviced, have it inspected. That's number one. Number two, take out all your incandescent light bulbs. Remove all your incandescent light bulbs from your home and replace them with energy saving LED bulbs. They save a ton of energy. A 75 watt comparable LED bulb burns about 7 to 9 watts compared to 75 watts or 65 watts. So you're saving a lot of energy there. So take all your incandescent bulbs out, replace them with LED bulbs. The third thing you can do is you can install dimmer switches, and you can dim your lighting in certain areas, and it cuts down on energy usage. The fourth thing you can do is take advantage of off-peak hours. Try to do your laundry, stuff like that. You can do that after 7 p.m. I believe is an off-peak hour, and usually off-peak hours are the rates are cheaper. So those are four things you can do to lower your electricity consumption and to lower your utility bill on your electricity. If you have any questions about any of those things that I mentioned, give me a call. I'd be glad to help you answer any of your questions regarding LED bulbs, regarding servicing your panel, or installing dimmer switches. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.